Okay, new do. Who this? Y'all, these rollers, OMG. Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. And I picked up this little hair tool from Temu that we're going to be using today. So if you want to see what it is, keep watching. All right, so let me open it up. You guys know I store all of my hair tools in like big giant gallon bags, but this is what I got, friend. This is what it is, y'all, and I can't even tell you the name of it because, baby, it was from Temu and they have like a really weird name. So I know you're like, Aleia, take the thing out the bag. I'm sorry, I'm coming. All right, so this is what it looked like. These little clamps. You guys know I'm all for natural hair tools and using tools to curl my hair without heat. So it looks like you just unclamp it. Okay, so you just unclamp it like that. You put your hair in and clamp it back down and let it dry. Y'all look, I did it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's only 45 per pack and I got 6 packs and I already used 8 of them on one row. Like, I am rethinking this, and it took a little second for me to like clip them all in. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this hairstyle another time. It's just taking too long and I don't know. Something's like my mind's telling me no. that's what it's giving. So let me go grab another hair tool. We're gonna switch this up real quick. All right, y'all, so I am back. I have some rollers here instead of those other ones. My gut was just telling me don't do it. I have somewhere to go tonight. It's like, what, 3 o'clock? So we're gonna go ahead and go with a roller set, roll it on up, sit under the dryer, and I should be good to go in a few hours. Let me show you how I do it, friend. Let me show you what these will look like. So here are the rollers. They come in a few different sizes. All right, so yeah, these come in a ton of different shapes, sizes, colors. There's a lot of them here, so I'm probably gonna stick to the red and the blue. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and pop some more mousse back on this back section back here, and we're gonna go ahead and get started in the back since we already have our hair ready to go. I'm just re-moussing that section, getting it reacquainted with the product, and the product is doing so well, by the way. Smells really good, feels good, it's brushing through nice and evenly, it's resaturating the hair. So this section is too big, so I just broke it in half and put it up out the way like that. We're gonna start right back here. I'm gonna grab a blue one, and you also are gonna need bobby pins to secure it. There's other methods to secure it to your head, but personally the bobby pins just work the best for me. So all I'm gonna do is start right at the end right here, putting the roller right on top. I'm gonna go ahead and flatten my hair onto that rod right where my ends are at by pushing my thumb up against the ends and smoothing it onto the rod before I start to roll up. And then all that additional hair that just didn't make it the first go round, it's gonna get in as I start to ravel, pushing the bobby pin between the hair. So that is how we are looking with the first one. Let's keep it moving. I'm gonna go ahead and take another blue one. Like I said, I'm just grabbing a random color. I'm trying to stick to the blues and reds, putting it on, smoothing out those ends. It's so important to make sure your ends are nice and flat on that rod before you start to travel up. And once I get all the way up and I can't move anymore, that's when I grab a bobby pin and secure that to my head. Now you can put bobby pins on each side of the roller, but it's okay. All right, y'all, so we got 2 in so far. I feel like we're moving and grooving a lot better than I was with the last thing I was using. So I'm just gonna take a nice size section and I'm gonna go ahead and put some mousse on that section. Just do a nice like 4 pumps and we'll see where that gets us. All right, and I feel as though I need a little bit more. All right, and I'm gonna start with at the end with my tangle teaser. All right, I love when the product is just evenly distributed in my hair. Amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and break this down into 2. I'm gonna pop that first one out the way. Guess I'll grab a red this time. Putting my hair onto the rod. Now I'm gonna put some more mousse onto my ends. I want my ends nice and flat onto the roller because you're gonna see the ends before you see anything else when you take this hairstyle out. All right, so the ends are flat. Roll that bad boy up. And nice and tight too. Make sure you're putting tension on the roller as you're rolling it. Put the bobby pin and secure it, and make sure you're not snagging any hair from the other section that we still have to roll. And like I said, we're just gonna grab, I guess we'll do another red. I'm probably gonna run out. I am going to put a little bit more mousse onto my ends. Alrighty, so go ahead and pop that on like that, rolling. Sorry y'all, my hair is so long. Like, can y'all even see? Okay, roll it on up. All right, you guys see it's onto my head. I'm just gonna take a bobby pin to secure it. It's not bad at all, y'all. You can see this is how we're looking so far, and we're gonna keep going. All right, y'all, so we are flying through this hairstyle. I'm already at the top of my hair. I'm probably gonna put like 2 or 3 in that section right here. What I'm gonna do is put some mousse onto my hand, start getting that section nice and coated, and work that product in really good. Trying to like back up so y'all can see what's going on. Alright, so here's the hair. I'm going to break this down into half. Alright, so I got the turquoise or the blue. I'm just going to detangle one more time. The roller always goes on top. And then I'm going to smooth my ends. And then I'm going to wrap it on down. I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm just going to go ahead and detangle one time. I'm going to grab a turquoise, put the roller on top of the hair, smooth the ends down really nice, and then start to ravel up. Nice and tight, securing it with the bobby pin. And y'all, we are already at the front of my head, okay? Like styles that we can move a little quickly with. So that's the back. Let's move on to the front. I definitely want to encourage you guys to try different rod and roller sets. I know I don't see a lot of people doing like rollers in their hair because they're scared of how it's going to turn out. Just use a mousse. I make sure I'm applying tension onto the rod as I'm rolling, and it normally turns out fine for me. I also make sure that my hair is like 100% dry before I take down the roller. So those are some good tips for you guys. What I'm going to do is find my next section. And I have this section right here that I'm about to work. Oh, you know what I need to do, y'all? We have to apply that styling, that moisturizing hair milk. Almost forgot, friend. So we're going to apply that. Ain't nobody tell me. Gave myself like 4 or 5 good pumps here. And we're just going to apply that all over this section. Alright, so now that we got the section moisturized, I'm going to go ahead and part my first section of hair so we can apply that mousse. Alright, so now we can go in with the mousse, and we're probably going to do about 4 or 5 pumps. Alright, so that product is all nice and nicely applied. I'm going to go ahead and break this down into 2. And I'm going to start with this back section right here. And what I'm going to do is put the red on top. Roll it. Roll it. And roll it on up. Grabbing a bobby pin. I'm going to do my best to secure that to my head while I do the next one. I have just a small blue one because it's like a little tiny section. Alright, so I already applied the mousse. I'm going to go ahead and separate, starting right here. Roller goes on top of the hair, smooth it down, and then push and roll through. Y'all, we are really working our way up to the top. That's what I love about styles that just don't take long. They're going to take a long time if you don't know what you're doing, but I've been doing roller sets for quite a long time now, so I kind of know what to do and how to do it really quickly, which I like. But I want to show you guys how to do it so you can get your hair done quickly too. So right now I'm just parting off a section that I think my hair will feel comfortable in. So that's a really good section, and also that's a good section. So we're going to keep it just like that. So here is our next section. We'll probably do 2 or 3 rollers and a whole bunch of mousse. Y'all, that took no time at all. It probably took me a total of maybe 20 minutes, if that, to do my whole half side of my hair, which is nice. I am nervous about how these are going to dry, but we're just going to have to wait and turn out and see. I always get nervous when I'm done my hair because you just never know. But I am going to go ahead and do the other side off camera really quickly. And then when I'm done, I'll come back on here to show you guys. And then I'm going to sit under a hooded dryer for roughly probably like 2 hours or so. Sorry, y'all, my camera died. But what I was saying was I'll come back on here once the side's done. And I'm going to sit under industrial hooded dryer for roughly an hour and a half to 2 hours. Because I'm starting on dry hair, it should not take long to dry my hair at all. You guys understand what I'm saying. We're just using styling products, so it should only take an hour or two for this to get dry, and we should be good to go. So make sure you guys stick around to the end. If you are learning how to do a roller set, please subscribe. My name is Aleia. I show people how to do rods and rollers on my channel. I have an ebook on this style as well if you want to check it out with all of my different rods and rollers that I like to use, and I'll have that link below for you guys. All right, I'll be right back. Hey y'all. All right, so I am back, and here is how we are looking. Friends, we're all finished. It took about 45 minutes for me to install all of these beautiful rollers in my hair. So if you guys are interested in trying rollers, I definitely want you to just step outside your comfort zone. Try something new. Even if it's a win or a fail, try to learn from it. So that's what I do. Again, my name's Aleia. I would love if you guys check out my website. I have one-on-one curly call consultations where we can talk together about a game plan for you and your curls. I also have an ebook on rods and rollers, so you can learn all about the different rods and rollers and which ones are perfect for your hair type and length. There's a lot of other stuff on there too, so go check out my website, and hopefully it's very resourceful for you. And I will see you guys back here in a few hours when my hair is dry, and don't forget to subscribe. Hey y'all. All right, so I'm back. I actually took a shower, got dressed, ate something. Like, we ready to go. I'm actually headed out tonight with one of my girlfriends. We are going to like a 90s 2000 party, so ready to turn up. But first we gotta take this hair out, y'all. So all right, y'all, so this is how we are looking. Get into it, and I'm gonna show you guys how I take this down. All right, y'all, so let me go ahead and start with this side. I'm actually gonna get started in the back. If you guys remember, this is where we started when we put them in, so this is where we should start when we take them out. I also do have the original bag that they came in, so once I take the rollers out, I'll be putting them right in the bag. And I'm going to use a little bit of the Bahama Glow from Curly Bell, and this is going to just help oil up my fingers, so we're not working on dry fingers or getting any frizz or anything like that. So we're gonna put a little bit of this on my hands so we can go ahead and get started. And I also have here with me the hairpin pal. It's a hairpin holder. It's magnetic, so once I take out the bobby pins, I'm gonna put them right on there so I don't lose them, because we all know we lose bobby pins. All right, so starting with this one right here in the back, all I'm gonna do is just take the bobby pin off first, put it on the hairpin. I got to take all the bobby pins out. Okay, like messed up a little bit, but it's okay. So the curls don't look bad at all. That's how they are looking so far. And we're just gonna keep taking them out in the back. Like I said, the bobby pin holder is doing its job. Ready? Curls feel a bit dry. Oh, super cute. Look at that, y'all. That is so pretty. So we're just taking them out. Gotta feel for the bobby pin. Take it out. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. I'm putting all the rollers back in the original bag. I'm debating if I'm gonna like brush or comb through it, or if I'm just gonna leave it like this. I really just need to see how it's gonna look. I'm just taking them out in the back, feeling for those bobby pins. Yeah, y'all, this is cute. I really like this. I love how it came out. The curls are just super bouncy, super pretty. So what I'm gonna do is quickly take out the other side so I can show you guys how it fully looks. Hang tight. Oh, hey y'all. Okay, new do. Who this? Y'all, these rollers, OMG. My hair looks so good. Like always, I always get so nervous and it turns out phenomenal. I don't know about this middle part, but I mean, it's working. It's whatever. This is what I wanted. If I wanted to do a side part, I definitely could. I don't know. I always do a side part though, so it's just like, decisions. But yeah, y'all tell me. I think it looks so cute, so good, So pretty. My name is, as always, Aleia, and I show how to do heat-free rod and roller sets. And if that interests you, make sure you guys give me a follow by subscribing. And you can also download my ebook on rods and rollers to get styles just like these, baby. We are not playing around. All 2023 and all 2024. We gonna be getting these curls popping, y'all. I'm happy with the results. I'm happy with how the curls look and how they're holding up. So that's it for me. My name is Aleia. This is, as always, Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.